Don't wait up for me. I'll be late.
You always come late.
Don't wait up for me. I'll be late.
What took you so long? I know you have to pick up real quick when Daddy calls. So, what you doing? Yes, of course I have plans, as always. Yes, how quick can we be at the usual spot? Let's make it 30 minutes. I'll be there too. I love it, baby. See you.